Alright, so the coil I was going to use on the west bend off of the Martin has a little bit smaller laminate, so I'm going to use a OMC coil instead, and I'm pulling it off right now. You got to do this real careful so you don't break it. Took a couple of motors out to test this morning, and then I was dragging the boat up, and all of a sudden a wind came up out of nowhere, and it blowing like mad and pouring rain. It's all done already. It was just a few minutes. Okay, I'll get you in closer where you can see. It's almost off of there. I'm getting it. There it is. And then you, because they're going to be pointing whatever way they're pointing, you got to decide which way is going to be the best direction for you to put it on the laminate. Slide this one on here. This is a West Bend made Elgin 5.5, and the coils I cut off yesterday. I don't. You have a hard time finding any of these kind of coils. So I've done this before with a what was it? A 7.5, and it worked out great. But that's how you get them off of there. There's a little tab there on the end that's bent. They bend it up to keep it from sliding off. And now you can put this back in there. Save this and put it back on there, and then you can bend that tab back up. But that's an OMC laminate. And there's the other one. I might try to get that one off there. It's tighter. But this is a German-made Prufrex brand coil. Let's see if I can read it. OMC. It says made in West Germany on there, but it's hard to. If the camera won't focus on it. Yeah, anyway. But the laminates are the right size and the hole's the right size, so I'm going to have to put you down and finish working on it. I'll show you the end result. Thanks for watching.